You know, if you're looking for a practical way to turn your criticism into complaints, because complaints aren't bad for a marriage, right?
No, but criticisms are damaging.
We have a little kind of formula that helps us. It's called the XYZ formula, and it goes like this. In situation X, when you do Y, I feel Z. In situation X, when you do Y, I feel Z.
Yeah, it's just a simple framework that protects you from a critical comment.
When we're driving down the road, and you turn the radio station without asking me first, I kind of feel like you're ignoring me. In situation X, when you do Y, I feel Z. That's very different than saying, who made you king of the radio, right?
Yeah,
So,
that doesn't feel good if I get that comment. But it is amazing when you get a complaint, you're open to it.
and you can remember this in the heat of the moment, right? Because it's so simple, X, Y, Z. In situation X, when you do Y, I feel Z.